Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about hippopotamus. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Hippos are the third largest mammal on the earth. Number 2. There are 2 species of hippopotamids. Number 3. Hippos thrive underwater. Number 4. Hippos are a threatened animal. Number 5. Hippos are herbivores. Number 6. Hippos are most active at night than day. Number 7. They produce their own sunblock. Number 8. Hippos can identify their friends from their enemies. Number 9. The name hippopotamus means river horse. Number 10. Hippos cannot swim even though they spend most of the time in the water. Wow! Who are all like these facts about hippopotamus? If you are like, then hit the like button for this video. Thank you. Thanks to watch kiddies. Do subscribe for more drawings with some information. Bye bye.